Hello friends, today I am going to show you demo of our Epson tester. This is Gopal Electronics make Epson tester model EP400. So this is how we have the entire setup, the main unit Epson tester, bridge, weighing scale and few strips. We have taken 32 numbers of strip for the testing. Now let's check the backside connection. This bridge is having two coils, one is primary and one is secondary coil. So primary coil P1 and P2 we have connected at the backside P1 P2 in the main unit, and secondary coil S1 S2 we have connected at the backside S1 S2 in the main unit. So now first of all we will take the weight of the samples. Here we are taking 32 numbers of strip. So total weight of the strips is 785 grams. Okay. Now we will insert these strips in the bridge. I will also show you the method how to insert in the bridge. So this is how we need to insert the strips. We have already inserted few strips. You need to insert the strips in pattern 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you need to take the samples in multiple of 4. So now we'll start inserting other strips. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again at opposite side. At last we will put the corner weights on the strip to remove the air gap between the samples. So now we will start the testing. Either you can use the software and test automatically at a multiple set test points, either you can test by using the equipment only at one test point. So let's start. This is the main display screen. It is showing the weight of the sample, length of the strip, frequency, ampere turns per meter, density of the material, induction test point where you want to test, and percentage of eddy current losses. To feed the sample data, click on sample data key, enter the weight. Our weight was 785 gram, enter. For next parameter, density is 7.75, length is 305 mm, eddy current loss is 50%. If you want to save the parameter, press enter key. Now press exit. Now you need to press start key. Here is the result. This is watt per kg, this is watt per lb, this is AC magnetizing force, this is peak magnetizing force, induction, AC permeability mu A and peak permeability mu P. So this way you can test the sample in manual mode by using the equipment only. Now we will show you how to test by the software. Now we will test by the software. First you need to enter the parameters. Thickness is 0.5 mm, weight is 785 gram, length is 305 mm, density is 7.75, test frequency is 50 Hz, eddy current is a 50%. Now we have selected different test points: zero point 0.8 Tesla, 0.9, 1 Tesla, 1.1 up to 1.8 Tesla. So you need to select. Right now I am selecting 3 test point: 1 Tesla, 1.5 Tesla and 1.7 Tesla. And for peak magnetizing force I am selecting 625, 5000 and 8000. Okay, now press start key. We got our result at 1 Tesla. Now the test is going on a 1.5 Tesla. We get the result at 1.5 Tesla. Now the test is going on for 1.7 Tesla. Report. You can see this report where you can find test result A and a test result B. Test result A, we will set flux density in Tesla and we get the result. In test result B, we set peak magnetizing force and get the result minimum AC magnetization B max. So at 1 Tesla the losses is 0.87 watt per kg, at 1.5 Tesla 2.2 watt per kg, 1.7 Tesla the watt loss is 2.9. This is VA per kg, AC magnetizing force, peak magnetizing force, AC permeability and peak permeability. Now for each test point the software gives the BH curve. This is for 1 Tesla. This is for 1.5 Tesla. and this is at 1.7 Tesla. So this is how the entire testing is fully automatic. You get the report very quickly without engaging yourself in a testing process. Thanks a lot.